Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Computer and common words. Start. Computer guided machines are helping in manufacturing units. Full stop. Computerization has reduced production time prior to the production process. Full stop. The information technology has benefited inventory and made possible the stock control system, which limit the time inventory items are stuck in the store house ready to enter the production process, cutting turnover time and accelerating the production. Full stop. Computers are also being programmed with suppliers' prices, quality and delivery times and so on, and make orders when required. Full stop. Fast communication channels are adding new trends like telecommuting and service operations to cut costs. Full stop. Computer systems have facilitated management concerns, making it efficient. Full stop. Imagine how the internet is proclaimed as a solution to about every economic problem, from poverty alleviation to marketing in more connected countries. Full stop. Mirror this perception in a low tech environment and traditional society in this part of the world and call home, and one finds that economic consequences of the information age so far have remained muted here. Full stop. Reasons are many: resistance to change and lack of trust to technical solutions for business processes that has diverted IT employment from raising productivity by making revolution for production methods and tapping human resource potentials through cooperation and collaboration. Full stop. The web has not been made use of, due to lack of a standard business culture of strategic thinking and planning. Full stop. These facts are inimical to the long-term investment in time and resources needed for IT to develop and deliver. Full stop. Another impediment standing in the way of meaningful employment of IT is societal rather than technological. Full stop.